How to register your property into booking.com. Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you the steps on how to register your property into booking.com. So then, to begin with, launch your booking.com application. Once you're on this page, go to your profile, tap on it, and this is going to take you to the profile page. Over here, scroll down right to the bottom, click on list your property. So over here you need to click on list your property. Since I've already begun with the procedure, so I'm just gonna go with create new listing or maybe continue. Now what you need to do is basically, once you're on this page, you'll be asked to select the type of property. So once you tap on new property, over here you'll be asked to select whether it's apartment, homes, bars and all that. So click on apartment. If it is so, then it's going to take you to the other page where you'll be asked how many apartments you have. So you need to go with all of these question answer sessions throughout the process. So click on it and then make sure to go through all of the information and only then begin with the procedure or tap on the continue button. So that is basically how you can register on booking.com. So that is basically how you can register your property on booking.com. And on the last interface, you'll also be asked to provide in the pictures of the rooms and all that information. And after you've done that, you'll need to click on the submit button, and as soon as you've done that, it might take a couple of days or maybe a week for the verification. So all you need to do is wait patiently until you get verified from booking.com. So in this way you can register your property into booking.com. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.